Hi guys, in the garden using the hat camera to film this. Previous episode we tried this out in the field and broke the blades. In fact, it didn't work very well at all. So I did a new design of blades, tried that yesterday, and they just didn't have enough pitch again. So this is a reprint of the new design of blades with extra pitch put in, and we're going to try it in the garden because at the moment there's no wind, it's calm, it's dull, there is a bit of moisture in the air, but we'll just see if we can get off the ground again. So, fully extended. So we're off the ground. Seem to have trouble coming forwards. Well, that's a freshly charged battery, so it can't be my excuse about there not being enough power going to the tail rotor. It might be a balance problem. Oh, that wasn't good. Bit of mud on my blades. We started off well. It's a bit twitchy. It's rattling around quite a bit. Probably haven't got very good balance on the blades. Still, we were up in the air. Oh, that's not going to do the blades any good. Oh yeah, split it. Oh well. A long time ago somebody was telling me to print some helicopter blades for one of my other helicopters. And I said that PLA was pretty useless for it because it is too brittle. And I think we're proving that. I don't know if it's worth trying to coat them with varnish or something, see if that helps hold them together. No, that's done it now. Oh, I didn't notice the other one's broken as well, so we got two broken blades. Yeah, two broken blades already. So yeah, it did fly. So the blade design is okay. but using PLA is just too brittle. Unless, as I say, whether it's worth trying to varnish them or something, see if that gives them a bit more strength, but it will add to the weight. Just a little point, while I had my hot glue gun out yesterday, I added a little ball to the top of the aerial because it was missing. So I just thought I'd add that in at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.